Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use VPN in OmeTV for Android. So here, you can manually change the country in this app. So by tap count, then you can choose your base country, or you can tap all country country someone from other country. So here we got Argentina, Australia, and so on up to Venezuela and United States. So sometimes if you change the country to your country, you not get precisely. Sometimes you get sometimes you go back to your base country. Let's say your base country is in Indonesia. So every time you change your country to Argentine, the server will go back to Indonesia. So here, in order to help you get precise location, you can install VPN on your device. So let's close the OmeTV first. Here you can try to find a VPN. There's a ton of VPN that you can download from a App Store or Play Store. So for example, like Turbo VPN, Thunder VPN, Super VPN, and so on, and try to download with 100 million user. For example, this Brave VPN, private browser, or you can try this, the Turbo VPN. So here you can get global fast and secure server. So here, but you need to upgrade into Pro account if you want to change to unlimited server. And after the install, you can choose the country that you desire. Then you can open OmeTV in order to make same location. And also there is a worldwide server by Thunder VPN. So choose what best VPN for your device. So after you install, you choose the a server. Now you can open your OmeTV and choose the that same with your VPN. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.